Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an Albanian IP address. This is useful if you want to make it look like you are in Albania for whatever reason. For example, to stop seeing ads on a very popular streaming platform. So, how do you get an Albanian IP address? As you can see here, my current IP address shows that I'm located in Marseille, France. I'm not in Albania. What I'm going to do is replace my French IP address with an Albanian IP address using NordVPN. NordVPN is an app you can install on your computer, smartphone, tablet or smart TV, and it lets you change your IP address. Once connected, your real IP address will be hidden and replaced by the VPN server's IP address, which is located in Albania. I select Albania on the map or in the list of countries. As you can see, there are many other countries available. I click on Albania. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from Albania. I refresh this page. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced with the IP address of the VPN server located in Albania. Every website I visit, every app I use will think I'm in Albania because I now have an Albanian IP address. As you've seen, it's very easy. You just need to click on Albania in NordVPN and that's it. I showed you how to do this on a computer, but it works the same way on a smartphone or tablet. The iOS and Android apps are similar to this one. You can also use NordVPN on a smart TV, gaming console, router. As you've seen, to get an Albanian IP address, you need NordVPN. To try it out, visit vpnfolio.com/nord or click the link below this video. NordVPN offers its users over 7,800 servers in 118 countries. It's a secure, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android. You can use it on up to 10 devices simultaneously. NordVPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but it costs only €3 per month. With this link, you'll get a 71% discount and 1 month free. Note that NordVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, which means you can sign up, try the service for a few weeks, and then request a refund. That said, I recommend keeping your subscription because NordVPN offers many benefits, such as browsing and downloading anonymously, improving your connection security, bypassing censorship, accessing more content, saving money, and much more. Forget about free VPNs. None of them will give you an Albanian IP address. Free VPNs are also unsafe and very slow. They don't offer unlimited bandwidth either, so it's better to just forget about them. This is why I recommend using NordVPN, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to get an Albanian IP address. That's it for today. Now you know how to get an Albanian IP. As you've seen, it's very simple. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I'll respond as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you and see you next time.